Hello. Today I just got this in the post. Literally haven't opened it. I thought it might be kind of fun to open it together and see. If you've seen another video or heard past recommendations from me, my partner, who is an audio technician, said, I'll get you a microphone. And I actually have a whole blog post about my experience with it. At the time, I thought it was great, but it really did annoy me. And this was deep down what I really wanted when I'd done my research. And you know what? I just got to live my life. He knows a lot, but I kind of have really good intuition. So literally, we're ripping in. I got it a little bit on sale. So I think I paid 187. Oh, geez, she's stuck together. They're not making it easy for a girl. Oh, maybe this one will be easier. Really, I probably wasn't going to edit, so I'm going to pause. Yeah. Okay, I had the breakthrough. I had the breakthrough. Oh, just going to be throwing. Love a sachet. A desiccated do not eat. Okay, what do we got? It comes with. Ooh, ooh. Okay, what do we got? Empty box. We've got the two little. One's a transmitter and one's a receiver. Is that right? A mic. There's a little baggie to put them in, and there's another box with accessories. I hope there's a quick setup guide because I have no idea what I'm doing with this. And so this is like, I mean, I am a bit techie. Oh, there's all kinds of things in here. That's my reminder to go and get blue tack. We've got the quick start guide, thank the gods. We've got the safety and regulation guide, probably going straight in the bin. We've got black stealth stickers. Don't know what they're for. Oh, got two sets of those. We've got more desiccated. I don't know what all this stuff is. Bunch of cables. We seem to have two sets of the same cables. And these little foofy things, they're very cute. I think this is part of it for me, the aesthetic of them. Like I've seen girlies holding them up with their little foofers on, and I'm like, I want to be a girly with a foofer. Let's be real. That was a huge selling point for me. I want to be one of these girls holding my little microphone. Could not get over it. Just looked so cute. I just don't know how that goes on. I probably shouldn't break it. Oh, there's a peel off thing. Okay, quick start guide. Be sensible. Okay. What is this? Oh, goes this way. Um, batteries got to be charged. So we're plugging these into something that will charge it. I think that we can use these little cords to charge. So I'm thinking that might be my first instruction. I mean, that's a good first project. So that's great. But where does that go? Plug that into my phone. Plug it in my phone to charge it. Is that right? Oh yeah. App not installed. The accessory Wireless Me TX has an app you do not have installed. Yes, I want it from the App Store. Yes, I better have it. Better get it. It's gonna want my face. Oh, this is not too bad. Hopefully it's not horrid. Um, I did watch a review the other day and someone was saying they were really happy with it. They just felt that it was a little quiet. Um, and that they need like they when they edit then they turn it up in the mix, the audio, which like I don't know if you know me a little bit, but I don't edit. Yeah. I don't edit. I'm not into that. I'm not an editing girly. Freaking hate editing. And actually the other day I made a YouTube short and it was friggin' torturous, frankly. I'm wondering if I could charge it using my iPad cable. I'm gonna go get it. So, the cable that came with it is kind of like we'll go from, oh no, oh, I see. I just went and got a cable for no reason. This one is different. This one is this plug, both ends, whereas the other cord that came with it plugs straight into my phone, and that's a different kind of jack. I'll show you. It's one of those. So there's kind of two kinds. That's pretty cool, which means I could potentially use it on plugged into my iPad or plugged into my phone. And it also means I can charge it off my computer, which I'm excited about. And I'd actually also like to use it with my computer. Allow accessory to connect. Yes. What next? Now I'm putting the app on. Got it. Install the recent. Oh, connect your Rode device. Oh, okay. Install the recent firmware update. Sure, let's do that. Update now. Okay. What else happens in my startup guide? There's a lot of stuff on my table now. It's feeling a little overwhelming. I don't know what this is. Like a little tiny, tiny little Ziploc bag. And probably I should angle it down. Oh no, you can't see my table. You can just see my jumper. It's like a little. Oh, maybe it's a magnet. I don't really know what it is. Does it? Oh, hopefully there'll be instructions, guys, because I have no idea what that thing does. Very strange. I've got to get rid of the rubbish. I don't like having the rubbish. Okay, that's updating. Back to my startup guide. Okay, charge them up until they're charged. Great. If the red dot's on, means it's not charged. And that's pretty basic, guys. Okay, 2 seconds. It takes 2 seconds. Oh, you hold it down for 2 seconds? There's a button. Oh, I see. Okay. I think that's enough charge to get me going. It's saying I hold this down, this little button for 2 seconds. Okay. And then, oh, but I have to start both of them. And now I've done that, they've got lights on. Do you know what that means? Then it's saying I put one on my body. I think this is the one for my body. It's kind of got, oh yeah, look, one for the body, one for the camera. So let's put the body one on me. Okay, body. Oh, she's flapping. Let's hook her onto my next top, see if that helps her. Bit better. I'm a bit snotty today. I've had just an unbelievable cold. Okay, and then the other one plugs into my phone. Okay, let's go. I think that's what it's saying. And then it's telling me I've got different cords, which I've already discovered. It's also telling me I could use these wiggy little cords to plug into my camera. That's pretty cool. I should probably show you the little pictures. Anyway, if you get one, you'll probably just work through this startup guide. I guess I'm doing this to see like exactly how long it takes to go from box to usage. I'm interested in that. It's also saying I can plug into a phone. Oh, I can use this to plug into my phone mic jack as well. Options, 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 darlings. Except that my phone doesn't have a headphone jack. It's one of those. It's saying I can plug into my computer. I can plug into anything, guys. Road Capture. It's an app. Road Central for my laptop. Is that bloody it? Oh, that's glorious. I better get, what's it called for my computer? Road Central. Okay, let's see. Road Central. I guess that might help me. Road Central companion app. I mean, my major struggle is opening this bloody Ziploc bag, frankly. That's my hardest problem. Road Central companion app. So I'm on my web browser trying to. I'm going to put all these little bibs and bobs in my little pouch. That seems like a smart thing to do. It's taking forever to load, which is weird. I've got another one. Honestly, this is the hardest part, is opening these bloody Ziplocs. Okay, I'm on the Road website. Let's screen share. That's exciting. Feels better than me talking. Right, let's have a look at what it's up to. Road, allow, central. Yeah, I've got that on my phone. La 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 la. Compatible, those things. Epic, key features, Road Central Mobile. Okay, let's get it for me Mac. That's downloaded. You know what, though? I had this software the other day. I was trying to get, oh, again, still haven't got the blue tack. I was trying to get, love these fluffy things. How do they get them on? I was trying to get, lost my train of thought now. Never mind. Kind of been very important. Yeah, I want to know how to get the foofies on. I love the foofies. See, I think if it's plugged into my phone, then it's going to want to record video from the phone. Whereas I want it on the phone and the Zoom is what I'm thinking. Yeah, it's kind of seized up now. I don't know. The app on the phone has stopped working, so I'm closing it and reopening it and hoping that makes any difference. It's still telling me that there's a firmware update required. Yeah, we're ready for the update, baby. Please do not connect or disconnect any devices until the update is fully completed. All right, well, the little doodah's plugged into the phone. Ziploc bags. This is the world's tiny Ziploc bag. Look, like only not even as long as my finger. Oh, okay, Road Central package. We're going to double click on that and install that baby. Hopefully it'll be fine because my computer is pretty good and I'm pretty happy with it. I haven't had any problems yet with softwares. Like I've had the whole Adobe suite and I've got a lot of stuff on there, I have to say. Biddle dink. Okay, let's open it. Now I can get rid of that. Get rid of that. Let's go open it, guys. What's it going to do for me? Oh, sure. Yeah, you can have my folder. No, I don't know if I'm going to be doing that. Connection troubleshooting via USB. Well, I can't right now. Oh, yeah, hang on. Phone is saying firmware update summary. Okay, got it. Oh, it's saying it's connected. Do you know what that's for? Listen, firmware update. We have, please connect your device via cable to update. I literally did have it connected. Audio transmitters. Let's see if I can actually just get busy recording straight away. Enable or disable the ME mic. Transmitters. Connected. Pair a transmitter to your device. Sure. Hello, hello. Are you on? Hello, hello. If this works this quick, that's pretty exciting. I guess it's been 10 minutes. It's probably not the most stimulating viewing that ever occurred. Pair your transmitter to your receiver. Oh, that's disappointing. Pair your transmitter to your receiver. Guys, talk to each other. Boom, boom. What if I put them right on each other? Are you both on, guys? Just have a little kiss. It's still not saying it's connected. Never mind. What I'll do is transmitter. I'm going to try pluggy-wugging it into my computer. Did not have a quick win there, but let's have a look. Allow my device to connect. Okay. Transmitters. Pair. Hello, hello. Yeah, maybe I'm not doing it right. Maybe you don't have to do this. I'm gonna have to probably watch a little YouTube tutorial to get clear on what the hell I'm doing, because just then, yeah, it didn't work on my thingy either. And it's saying that to record, I think you just press go. Oh, it is going, but how do I record? Audio. Enable or disable. Gain assist. I don't really know what any of that means. Channel routing. Yeah, I'm gonna need Jace's help. LEDs, device name. There, let's call it Yo's. Yo's, no, okay. Yo's. Yo, baby road. Yo, baby road. That's cute. Merged split. I think that you can use the transmitter as a mic as well, the thing that's plugged in. So then you can decide whether it comes in as two. I don't know if you've done audio editing in GarageBand or whatever, but it would come in as two separate sounds or comes in as one. But I don't know how my voice doesn't spill over to this. A gain mode. I don't know. I don't really know what that means. I have to get JC. Device. Oh yeah, I've already looked at that. So how do I get it to actually record? Oh, well, that's as far as I can get without a tutorial, team. I think that's okay, I suppose. Can't plug that that in. I guess I could try. I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna have to just go watch a tutorial. But I will keep you posted. What I'll do is I'll pause this just in case I have some huge breakthrough watching a YouTube tutorial, and I'll come back and tell you what I found out. Back because I went to the YouTube video was hopeless. I ended up doing a Google search and I got the AI overview telling me that I have to just go to the app and start recording. But remember, guys, I was looking, I mean, gorgeous one. I was looking and let's just share again. And in the road thingo, in the road connect, oh, it's updated now. So anyway, it just took me through an update process and I'm hoping that I still don't, the guy was just, the video I found, bro was just talking about gain assist the whole time. I did not even search. Still haven't got the blue tack. Did not even search gain assist, but like really? Disconnect. No, I don't want to disconnect. I think TX2 is the second one of these. I think this is TX1, and I think TX2 is like sometimes you can get two of these. So here's the thing, is like I'm not seeing a record button anywhere. Like I just am not clear on how girl is supposed to actually record. Like, where's the record button? I don't see a record button freaking anywhere. So why? Can you see the record button and I'm just being gaga? Like, it's very annoying. I wonder if it's come through. What if I try another thing? If I go into sound on here, input. Ooh, wireless ERX. Oh, can you hear me? I wonder if this is working. I don't want it as the output. Hello, hello. Oh, it seems like it's working. Okay, well, that was easy enough. Um, Interesting. Start recording. So this is my recording app. Okay, well, look, that's me fumbling through. If you can hear me now, which I really hope you can, otherwise this video has absolutely gone to the dogs, then that's it. I will see how long it took on the timer when I stopped this video, but I got the road, I got it out of the box, I updated it, it's linked up, and now I'm using it. So that was, I think it was pretty quick. And you really just got to see me with my beautiful process over here. I hope you have a gorgeous day. Let me know if this was helpful. I will let you know how I go with her over time. I'll drop back in and give an update. I've got to cough. I think I can't stop it. Oh, I managed to pause before I started coughing. Miracle. I've had a cold. It's been hell. Anyway, I hope you're having a gorgeous day and I hope this was helpful. I look forward to seeing you soon. And here it is. I haven't figured out how to get the puffy thing on either, but next time you see me, I'll probably have a little fluffy.